Welcome back to Improve Autos. Look at the size of this thing. Most off-roaders are built to survive a weekend in the woods. This is built to survive the end of the world in total luxury. This is the EarthRoamer HD-005. If the LTI is a luxury suite, the HD-series is a rolling penthouse. Built on a commercial-grade Ford F-750 chassis, this specific unit, the 005, is one of the rarest vehicles on the planet. It's 35 feet of carbon fiber, 46-inch military tires, and an interior that would put a 5-star hotel to shame. Today, we're taking an exclusive look at what it's like to own a $1.7 million mobile fortress. Exterior. The exterior of the HD-005 is purely intimidating. It stands over 13 feet tall and is nearly 35 feet long. The body isn't just painted metal, it's a vacuum-infused carbon fiber shell, which makes it incredibly strong but relatively light for its size. You're rolling on massive 46-inch Michelin tires wrapped around military-spec wheels. If you get into trouble, there's a 30,000-pound Warren hydraulic winch up front that can pull this 37,000-pound beast out of anything. With a full LED light array from Baja Designs, you can literally turn night into day. Performance. Under that giant hood is a 6.7-liter PowerStroke V8 turbo diesel. In this F750 configuration, it pumps out 330 horsepower and a stump-pulling 725 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with a heavy-duty 6-speed automatic transmission and a custom 4WD system. But the most impressive stat is the range. The EarthRoamer HD-005 carries 115 gallons of diesel fuel, allowing you to drive over 1,000 miles without stopping. It also features a rear air suspension with Fox shocks and a hydraulic leveling system that can flatten out a mountainside campsite in seconds. Interior. When you step inside the HD-005, you leave the dirt behind. The interior is a masterpiece of craftsmanship. We're talking about handcrafted wood cabinetry, granite countertops, and a full kitchen with a 3-burner induction cooktop and a Bosch microwave. Unlike smaller campers, the HD has a full dry bath with a separate rainfall shower. There's a California king-size bed in the overcab bunk and a dining area that seats 6 people. It even has a built-in washer and dryer. It is fully winterized with radiant floor heating, so you can stay cozy even if it's negative 30 degrees outside. Now, let's talk price. While a new EarthRoamer starts high, a used HD-005 still commands a price tag of approximately $1.7 million to $1.9 million USD. It's an investment in ultimate freedom. The EarthRoamer HD-005 is the pinnacle of the land yacht world. It's big, it's expensive, and it's unstoppable. So, if you had the money, would you take this HD-005 or buy a fleet of 20 normal SUVs? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Improve Autos for more epic vehicle tours.